Hey, how you doing? I'm the Don, the godfather of computers, here with this week's IT security tip number 10, the dangers of Dropbox and other file sync and share apps. If you're using Dropbox or any other consumer-grade file sync and share cloud apps, if you know what's good for you, you listen up. Capiche? These applications, which are called shadow IT by the IT industry, can pose a huge threat to your business because your data can be spread far and wide without anybody managing what information is being shared and with who, since over 7 million Dropbox accounts have been hacked. That hack may have given cyber crooks a path right into your business's network. This is even more important if your company has access to and or stores sensitive data, such as first and or last name, social security numbers, date and place of birth, mother's maiden name, or other biometric records, and any other information that is linked or linkable to an individual, such as medical, educational, financial, and employment records. This is, by the way, no means a complete list of the data that you have to protect. Using file sharing apps like these are a clear and direct violation of data breach and compliance laws, including PCI, which are your credit card processing regulations. So what's the bottom line? Don't use them for your company data, and use only company-approved, secure, business-grade file-sharing applications in your business. How do you choose a file sync and share app? Whether your business has to comply with HIPAA or not, the file sync and share apps that comply with HIPAA requirements will provide the best security and will assure your data is secure at rest and in transit, meaning where it's stored and when you are moving it. Yeah, it's a little bit more money, but not anywhere near what it's going to cost you if you have a data breach. Likely more than $45,000 an incident. The courts have stated that your client database don't belong to you. You are just the custodian of that data, and it is your responsibility to protect that data, or else. So do the right thing and protect that data properly. If you ain't got a clue what to do or what to use, give us a call at 636-542-8653 today, or take your chances with the cyber crooks and the fines, civil suits, reputation damage, and everything else associated with the data breach. That's it for tip number 10. Next week's tip will be, don't use public Wi-Fi until you read or watch this. Remember, it ain't personal, it's just business. Till next time.